Hello everyone, my name is Ashish and today is day 67 of my English practice journey. In this today's video, I want to talk about a very important topic, the motivational. Every single day I practice English to improve my confidence, my communication and my future. Today I want to talk about the motivational because without motivation no journey can continue a long time. Motivation is the power that helps us move forward even when we feel tired, confused, or discouraged. Many people start their journey with a full energy, but after some days they stop. Why? Why they stop? Because motivation slowly disappears when results are not visible, but real growth happens when we continue even without seeing quick results. So, मोटिवेशनल बहुत लोग को मोटिवेशनल वीडियोस देख के वो मोटिव हो जाते हैं, देन कुछ टाइम ही वो उस काम को करते हैं, बट उस काम में उनको सक्सेस नहीं मिलता है, देन वो स्टॉप हो जाते हैं. बट हमें स्टॉप नहीं होना है, हमें कंटिन्यूसली वो काम को करना है. अगर हम वो काम कंटिन्यूसली करते रहेंगे देन हम वो अपने सक्सेस की जर्नी को ही कंप्लीट कर पाएंगे. सो नेवर स्टॉप योर जर्नी, continue doing your whatever you want to do in your future. So do whatever you want to. Learning English is not easy, especially when it is not our first language. You know that ki English is not our mother tongue. सी माई मदर टंग इज़ हिंदी. तो मुझे बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस होते हैं इंग्लिश में बात करने का. सो आई कैन हैंडल वॉट एवर आई फेस माई चैलेंजेस. सो मैं उसको अच्छे से टेकल करता हूँ और अभी से टेकल करने का ट्राई कर रहा हूँ. सो आई रियली लाइक एनी चैलेंजेस. Sometimes we feel shy while speaking, sometimes people laugh or judge us, sometimes we compare ourselves with others who speak fluent English. But remember one thing, everyone starts from zero, nobody is born from fluent. So if you are practicing English daily even for 15 or 20 minutes, you are already ahead. For many people who only thinks but never act. Small step take a daily create a big result over time. Do not underestimate your effort. Consistency is more important than perfections. There will be a days when we feel lazy. There will be a days when we feel like quitting. On those days, remind yourself why we started. Maybe you want to a better job. Maybe you want to confidence while speaking. Maybe you want to respect in society. Whatever your reasons, keep it strong in your mind. सो कोई भी रीज़न हो, आप अपने आप को मोटिवेट रखना चाहते हैं, अपनी लाइफ में सक्सेस होना चाहते हैं, तो जो भी आपका मोटिव है उसको बना के रखो. आप उसको छोड़ना नहीं. कुछ भी हो जाए आप उसको लेकर चलना है. मिस्टेक्स आर नॉट योर एनिमी, मिस्टेक्स आर योर टीचर्स. एवरी स्ट्रॉन्ग सेंटेंसेस टीच you the right way. Every hesitation improves your courage. When you stop fearing mistakes, you start improving faster. Speak English even if it's broken. Fluent comes with practice, not with silence. So English practice करने से आएगा. आप शांत बैठे रहेंगे तो आपको इंग्लिश नहीं आने वाली. तो just speak English and also practice English. Do not wait for the perfect time. Do not wait until you feel confidence. Confidence comes after action, not before it. Practice English. Do not perfect practice it today and trust the process. Improvements may be slow, but it will slowly come. One important thing I have learned in this journey is self-belief. If you believe in yourself, no obstacle can stop you. Even if the world doubts you, your belief must be stronger. Say to yourself every day, I am improving, I am learning, I will not give up. Remember, success is not about speed. Some people grow fast, some slowly, but slow growth is still growth. as long as you are moving forward, you are winning. Compare yourself only with your past self, not with others. If you miss one day of practice, do not quit. Start again the next day. Process is not about being perfect every day, it is about coming back every time you fall. Discipline will take you to place where motivations cannot. uh, Today is day 67 and I am proud of myself for continuously. If you are also practicing English or working or your goal, I am proud of you too. Keep going, keep learning, keep believing yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe my channel. Also share with your friends. Till then, take care. Bye bye.
Bye.